Hi, my name's Dawn. I work here at Goal Vision as part of the customer success team, and I'm going to take you through today's webinar. Today's webinar is the first Goal Vision Basics webinar where we will cover logging in, homepage and menus. We'll also look at creating new accounts, sites and contacts, together with viewing and adding notes. We will also look at how to navigate and search, along with creating new menu views, and finally, how to find help. You can log into any device using your Goal Vision URL, username and password. The first screen you will see is your homepage. Your homepage shows activities and appointments due, together with notes from your notice board. If we click on the menu on the left, the plus icon is where we can create new records, and the view icon to view records. The records you have access to will depend on your login permissions set up by your Goal Vision administrator. We're going to create a new account, so if we click on the plus icon, select account, here we can add an account name, enter a contact, I'm going to select a prospect, enter in an address, pop in a town, and a postcode. If we click to save, next we're going to look at navigate and searching. To find a recent record, you can click on your action center. It is here you can click to view and open records, or you can use your search option. Goal Vision will filter all items matching your search. From here we can click to open the record. All the screens are configurable. Your Goal Vision administrator will have implemented fields based on your business requirements. Here we can view key information, for example, widgets, dashboards, and if we scroll down to the correspondence area, it is here you can view and add notes. If you have our email tracking enabled, all outgoing and incoming emails will be displayed in the correspondence area. To create a new note, click on the note icon, enter a subject. We can enter further details. We can click to broadcast to share the note with our team and save. From here, we can click on the new icon where we can add new items against the account. For example, we may want to add a new site to add billing or delivery addresses, or add further contacts. We're going to add a contact. Here we can enter a name, job title, communication numbers, and click to save. Next, we will look at list views. So let's go to our view menu, select accounts. You can easily update records from here by clicking on the inline edit. If we click on the inline edit icon, we can add a telephone number and click to save. The list views are customizable. Your system administrator can set a company view, which you can then customize and create your own view. So from here, you can click to resize columns. You can also click on the three dots to add new columns. We can select a field and click to add. You can also filter records. We can add a further filter. And once you have your view, you can click on your actions, click pin to menu, enter a name. We can pin it to an existing or create a new menu. Select a menu and pin to save. You can then click on the left-hand side to view the saved menu. If you need help on Goal Vision, simply click on your help icon, select online help. Here you will find access to all our help resources, and if you navigate to using Goal Vision, the basics, it is here you will find everything covered in this webinar and more. If you're looking for a topic, you can use the search. open the page, and here you will find step-by-step instructions along with videos. Thank you for watching this webinar. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel or refer to our help site where you'll find more useful resources and videos.